Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to invite new members to your Calilio Workspace. The Invite Members feature lets you easily add teammates to your Calilio account. You can assign roles, manage access, and expand your communication network in just a few clicks. Now here is how to invite members. First, click on Settings from your dashboard. After that, click on Members under the Workspace section. Then, click on this blue Invite Members button. Enter the name, enter the email, assign the role, that is, either the admin or member role, agree to the prorated charge terms and conditions, and finally click on Send Invite. After that, select the payment method and click on Confirm. Once sent, the invite will appear in the receiver's email inbox, where they can accept or reject the invitation. Accepted members will instantly gain access to your Calilio Workspace. And that's it. You've successfully invited a new member to Calilio. If you need any further help, reach out to our 24/7 support team through the live chat box. Thanks for watching.